This tweet from Salesforce Trailhead account was interesting. It asked you like how Trailhead is helping you in your career and to share your trailblazing story. So we at Concretio Apps are using Trailhead a lot. It's part of our internal training program for new hires, where we train college graduates, newly hired, experienced candidates from Java, Python, and PHP background. So to start the story, we recently presented the same at a meetup in I think Jaipur city, where we said that how we at Concretio Apps are using Trailhead to train our team and getting most out of it. What we covered there is what was our training pattern before Trailhead, how Trailhead basically filled up the gaps and all those sort of good things. So to give you a quick idea, so this was our training program, which was nearly 2 to 3 weeks, which is driven by an architect or senior developer, and we did a 1 to 2 hours classroom training in which in morning and in afternoon we have 30 minutes or 1 hour session where we give a PowerPoint slide overview to the newly hired candidates, and then we give them follow-up assignments. So this was going good. It ended up training a lot of people and majority of my team, but the gaps were that the Salesforce platform it evolves rapidly, many seasons a year, and it's very tough to keep slides updated to what is latest. And then it's very tough to define a learning path. For example, if I'm hiring an admin, I can't define a very clear path and keep it updated as per the latest. Same is for developers path as well. It misses the gamification and the badges feel, which adds a lot of fun to the learning. And a classroom training also requires a lot of decent time to, I mean, convey it correctly. Again, lastly, assignments, as platform changes, the nature of assignment should also change. So it was very tough to basically keep the assignments up to date as well and make sure they are using the concepts from the latest releases. So based on these things, what we decided that why don't we use Trailhead as a base and then we train our team out of that instead of PowerPoint slides. So before moving to that, I would like to just give you an overview of teamwork. We use teamwork for our project management and even tracking timesheets and tasks, everything. So what teamwork offers is you can create a task template in teamwork, which means that you can create basically a task list which starts, let's say, on day one, and then it keeps on going to day two, day three, day four, and so on. So we have nearly 20 days of training compulsory for all new hires who are not coming from Salesforce background, and that's what we do here. So you must be wondering what are these things. So these are high level tasks like Salesforce platform basics. So what we do is we do have some things like CRM basic trailhead module and like this is starting force.com module. So we start with these trails, we give them some basic exercises on day one. Similarly on day two, we have little bit more of data modeling. We tell them formula validations and then what is data modeling and then some exercises from Trailhead. Similarly, on day three, we have SOQL and SQL where we again relate the same via Trailhead and then we have exercises. So the way we drive it is every day, let's say for this SOQL unit, a senior will basically give you an overview of what SOQL and SQL is and will drive you through various pages of Trailhead content so that you have an idea. You don't have to read everything by your own, and then you can complete the trails, complete the exercises. So that's the way we are going day by day, like triggers. Similarly, everything is totally Trailhead driven, like Visual Force basics, various modules and things which you have to complete. Same is for data security, process automation, mobile, lightning, everything. Even we do ISV have development because we are a PDO partner. So that is a key part of our training program as well. So we are finding this pattern pretty useful because what we do is as soon as somebody new joins, we just go to our teamwork UI. This is the teamwork account we have, and we just say add a task. So what this says is, let's say I am a new joining, so Abhinav Salesforce training could be my task list. What I say is I just want to use this task list which I just show you here, so then it will get all the tasks. I can set a start date. For example, I just joined in evening. I don't want to burn myself out, so I can say it starts on 22nd of September, and default wise I just say that all the tasks should be done by me. Once this is done, I save it and I add this task list. So see, this is all set now. I can then go here. Once I'm done, I can complete the task. I can log the time I'm taking here. So that's our typical process. I hope you can do something similar for your company and help your employees and developers learn more in an organized way with Trailhead. Thank you.